Alright, this is May 2nd, 2010, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Big flood today. This is me driving down Saunders Ferry Road past the marina where you can see a lot of the docks have went, tipped up on their sides, and a lot of flooding's going on there. Extreme water levels, they said we haven't seen things like this in since the 70s. You see the road's pretty much clear here, though. I didn't reach up to the road, thank goodness, so we still have full passability on the road and all that. Adjusted a lot of the areas where you can fish and park and launch your boat are just completely submerged.
Look at the dock down there.
Everything has become an extension of Old Hickory Lake, it seems like.
Oh man, look how close we are coming over here. Oh look, it's in the back. There you go.
They hadn't reached their place, so.
Amazing. What are you doing? Yep. Yep, we're sitting here behind mallards. And he's taking pictures he's taking movie pictures. But, of course, nobody's coming the other way. And the water is up behind Barefoot Charlie's. I mean, they have no parking lot. There's no parking lot at Barefoot Charlie's anymore. Yeah, behind Mallard. Oh, you know that little drive-through area where the boat ramp is? There is no parking area. None. It's completely underwater. And I mean, it's not too far of...
Wow. That is underwater. You gonna play some hockey?
Toward the huh?
Play some hockey?
Yeah, really. Oh man.
Oh, it tore it all down.
Yeah. Just busted it.
Look at that. It's like raging rapids down there.
Yep.
That's amazing. Look at that car sitting there.
Yeah.
How'd you like that to be your car?
That wouldn't be very cool.
We're sitting there looking at it.
Hello. Hey, how you doing? All right.
Crazy.